works. We have already discussed about what is a solenoid valve and how a pilot operated solenoid valve works in our previous video. The link of that video is there in the description box. What is a direct operated solenoid valve? Direct acting solenoid valves, also known as zero rated solenoid valves, are electromechanical valves that are used to control the flow of liquids or gases. This type of valve is directly actuated by the solenoid and does not require any difference in pressure between the inlet and outlet ports in order to operate. They can therefore function from 0 bar upwards. Parts of direct operated solenoid valve. Valve body. This is the body of the valve to which the solenoid valve is connected. The valve is usually connected in the process flow pipeline to control the flow of certain fluid like liquid or air. Inlet port of the valve. This is the port through which the fluid enters inside the valve, and from here it can enter into the final process. Outlet port. The fluid that is allowed to pass through the valve leaves the valve through the outlet port. Solenoid. This is the body of the solenoid coil. The body of the solenoid coil is cylindrical in shape and it is hollow from inside. Coil windings. The solenoid consists of several turns of the enameled wire wound around the ferromagnetic material like steel or iron. Plunger. This is a solid round metallic part cylindrical in shape and placed inside the hollow portion of the solenoid valve. Spring. The plunger moves inside the hollow space due to the action of the magnetic field against the action of the spring. The spring actually forces the plunger to carry out the control of the fluid. Orifice. The orifice is an important part of the valve through which the fluid is flowing. The flow of fluid from inlet port to the outlet port takes place through the orifice. Direct acting solenoid valves have a simple working principle. For a normally closed valve with no power, the plunger blocks the orifice. A spring is forcing this closure. When power is applied to the coil, it creates an electromagnetic field attracting the plunger up, overcoming the spring force. This opens the orifice and allows the media to flow through. A normally open valve has the same components but works in the opposite way. The maximum operating pressure and flow rate are directly related to orifice diameter and the magnetic force of the solenoid valve. So, a direct acting solenoid valve is typically used for relatively small flow rates. Direct operated solenoid valve require no minimum operating pressure or pressure difference, so they can be used from 0 bar up to the maximum allowable pressure. So by this we come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please support us by subscribing our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.